So have you found all the black circles? Now tell me, can you see the three red triangles? Imagine this is like a metaphor for our life and our mindset. The black things, the black circles, triangles, and squares are the bad experiences that happen to us, or things that didn't go according to the plan, or our failures, or the misfortunes. And imagine the red things are the things that went well. Our brains are wired to look for what's wrong, as thousands years of survival helped us survive. However, it doesn't help us thrive or feel happy. And that's why we need to take a moment as part of the self leadership to also focus on what went well, because our brains are not going naturally there. We need to train ourselves. So, for the next few videos, we are going to focus just on that.